So I met this guy. His name is, give him the spill down, Wayne.
Hello, my name's Wayne Black from Idaho Falls.
So we're about to head to the laundry room. That's not it, is it?
Yeah, you go downstairs, man.
Shoot. You do go down there.
Door.
Hey. So we're about to head to the laundromat. And Wayne is my door holder, so he knows his role. What? You're doing it, right?
Yeah, just to show you how to use it because you never used it.
The day in the life of a fracker.
See, all you gotta do is just throw it in there. See the soap bar that goes in there, man.
Where?
See?
Oh, crap. So you just throw your laundry in here.
Yeah,
Okay?
throw your laundry in, dude.
Like that.
It depends on how long you want it to take.
Do it hot water.
Hot water?
Yeah.
That's additional time, man. 79 minutes.
Oh, hell yeah.
You want it to take 79 minutes?
Yeah, whatever.
Alright. 79 minutes
cool,
later,
man.
your laundry is gonna be...
So that'll be a good enough time to work out. You know what I mean? I gotta throw this on there because this is my only... Oh, crap. No? Well, yeah, remember our little trash can in our room?
Take the trash bag.
Take the liner underneath the bottom. There's extra liners.
Oh. Didn't know that.
Yep. Conference room?
Have you been to the gym yet?
Yeah. Come on, man. You act like I'm like freaking fat, man, which I am, but I mean, you know, other fat people haven't even seen their gym shoes. No way. If you need water, dude, if you need, what is this, silk, almond, vanilla, and all whites, this is the place to come. But water, definitely. They got stacked up with water.
You know, so you got sauna. Yeah, frozen ones in there too.
What is this? Oh, grilled chicken, man. Look at that. So if you need some protein, check it out.
Actually,
That's the stuff.
The guy who works here, the front manages the place, did that. But there's the sauna.
Oh yeah, I gave them a tour already earlier, like 5 days ago. On my first day, hold on, let me see. There's no light, huh? Looks like you're in the dark. It's kind of hot in there.
I don't see a light.
Alright. You're gonna be my actor, dude. We're looking for actors.
Looking for actors?
Yeah.
I don't know, me being an actor.
Okay, let's go. Do act out a part.
For what?
Pretend like you're freaking...
Now you're making me camera shy.
No.
That's my problem.
Don't be camera shy, just do it.
I don't know, what do you want me to do?
Okay, pretend like I'm a drug dealer and you are not allowed to have drug dealers in your facility. Ready, go.
Dude, what the heck you doing in here, man? Get out!
You're fired. Just kidding. Alright, what are we doing? I know, I was just playing. That's the same way I would have acted. See, look. You notice I'm getting skinnier? Oh yeah, not really. Alright.
Well,
Not like you, dude.
We're gonna find out. We're gonna do like some bench pressing, some arm exercises. But first, we're gonna start out on the treadmill.
Alright.
Of all places.
Treadmill.
I know I'm wearing boots, but
Come on, dude. And you're in your boots?
yeah.
Wow, only Polynesians do that. You know what Polynesian means?
You sure you want to record all this?
No, I'm gonna stop it. I'm gonna end it with this. This is called Repo, this show is.